I made these do not cross the line signs by photographing a real one at Eden when I was on the fact-finding tour, and then printing them to scale with a matching background, along with other signs which I downloaded from the internet for the post office and the Ratischerbahn signs for the station, etc. Other signs I have bought from a vendor on eBay. The station building had to be fixed in place early in the construction of the layout, and to enable it to be lit, I had drilled a hole in the board where the station building was to stand. Now was the time when I could put in the lighting. I soldered a couple of Christmas tree lamps together in series to reduce the voltage each one received, and then pushed them up through the hole in the board into the building. The building was provided with silhouettes behind the windows, so it looks as if the building is occupied, all part of the kit which I bought ready-made second-hand on eBay. I've had enough of doing wiring and lighting and what have you, and having the workbench cluttered up with a piece of layout, so I've put all that back where it belongs, the other side of the railway room, and I've yet to bolt it together and line up the rails and make it all work, but it will be nice to do that. Nice to have a bit of relaxing time actually driving trains now and again. I'll do that in due course. For now I'm going to be working on putting together a kit which I acquired some time ago. This one was a gift. It's a barn. You may think that's not ever so exciting, but it is a typically Swiss barn. Go to Zermatt, you'll see a number of these barns which have been preserved right in the centre of the old village. They're such a part of Swiss history because of the need to store things during winter, and they have these stone slabs on each of the stilts on which the storeroom stands to prevent rats and other vermin climbing up into the storeroom. This Kibri kit is mostly snap together. You just push it together and it stays together. I have put the odd bit of plastic cement here and there because I don't want it snapping it apart again with the amount of handling that a portable layout will get. But it really is quite simple to assemble. I'd recommend it for anyone really who wants one of these. They are really so typical of Swiss villages and countryside, and in the winter often seen with about 2 metres of snow on the roof, although we'll only have about 1/4 to 1/2 metre of snow on the roof on the site where I'm putting this one. These stones are not really quite the right colour, so I should paint those before assembling at least this part of the barn.